I don't know if you've tried Alani before, but in the beginning when I started this series of dirty Alanis, I thought that the pink slushy one would be my favorite. But after taste testing a handful of these, I've quickly begun to realize the different altitudes of flavors that they have to offer for everybody. And I really don't know how I let this one slip past me, but the Hawaiian Shaved Ice one, bro, let me just tell you. The flavor that it gives off by itself is more like a tropical raspberry, and instantly after tasting it, I already knew what it was missing. Well, at least for my taste buds, to say the least. I felt that strawberry and lavender together were the perfect pieces that were missing. And honestly, even if you wanted to just add those flavors to it and stop it there and not add half and half like I'm doing here to make it dirty, you can do that too. But you know how we do at Brew Coffee. Come on. If you want to take a drink to the next level, we got you. And I don't know if you've had strawberry and lavender, those flavor combinations mixed together before in any other drink, but mixed with this Alani, oh my God. And I took it a little step further by creating a lavender cold foam. Come on. And for everybody that's been keeping up with our Dirty Alani series, I'm in the process of finishing up our Dirty Alani recipe ebook really soon. But don't worry, until that one comes out, we have plenty more recipes for you, and the links in our bio and all our other descriptions. You can go find them. You can comment and ask me about them. But hey, thank you guys. We'll see you in the next one. We love you. I'm out.